Hey Rena, hope you're doing well. Just looking through your project to give you a little timeline. Today is the last day for your class to work on this during the class period. It looks like you're moving in the right direction. Only thing that I'm unsure about that maybe you want to share with me is how you're going to share this back with me in the class. So my guess would be either creating a website using Google Sites or using Adobe Spark would be your best option. It looks like you have everything that you need to have on this part right here, and it looks like you're just onto this last little bit to finish up. So you can continue working on this. Today you have class time to do that. The only thing that you might want to send back to me is how you're going to share it, so what it's going to look like when it comes back to me. Okay, if you have any questions, make sure you reach out and ask. Thanks, Rena. See ya.